Have you ever pondered the possibility of having WhatsApp on your laptop? It's not a myth, and today we're going to delve into the simple steps to turn this possibility into reality. The first stepping stone on our path is visiting the official WhatsApp website. In the digital realm, this site is the equivalent of your favorite supermarket that has all your needs. Once there, you'll find a download link that's ready to assist you in your quest. Now it's time to click on that download button. A pop-up window will appear, and it's here that you'll need to save the setup file to your laptop. Choose a location that's easily accessible. Think of it as picking a perfect parking spot for your car. Once the file is comfortably nestled in your chosen location, it's time to run it. Simply double-click on the setup file, and the installation process will commence. It's like turning the key in the ignition. Sit back and watch as the magic unfolds. As the installation process wraps up, a QR code will make its appearance on your screen. This is your golden ticket to accessing WhatsApp on your laptop. Pick up your phone, open your WhatsApp, and navigate to the WhatsApp web option under the settings menu. It's akin to pulling up a map on a treasure hunt. This will lead you to your desired destination. With the WhatsApp web option open on your phone, scan the QR code displayed on your laptop screen. It's as straightforward as taking a photo, and just as rewarding. Upon scanning, your WhatsApp account will synchronize with your laptop, and voila, you now have WhatsApp on your laptop. To recap, the journey to having WhatsApp on your laptop begins at the official WhatsApp website. There, you download the setup file, run it on your laptop, and then use your phone to scan the QR code that appears. This process is as seamless as a well-choreographed dance, and just as enjoyable. So the next time you find yourself wishing for a more extensive screen to chat with your friends, remember these steps. It's like having a secret recipe to your favorite dish. Once you know it, the possibilities are endless. Now go ahead and enjoy the convenience of having WhatsApp on your laptop. It's a game changer.